guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using only NYBae products. NYBae is my most favorite brand when it comes to affordable makeup because I feel like their products are so affordable. Even people who are on a budget, even people who buy their makeup using their pocket money, like school going girls or college going girls, can easily afford NYBae makeup, and at the same time it performs so well. It's such good quality, which is the reason why I absolutely love the brand. So I have a tray full of makeup from NYBae, and I'm going to be doing like a full face of makeup using only NYBae makeup. So firstly I'm going to be using NYBae Pro Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Topaz. Can you see what the strobe cream has done to my skin? It's made my skin look so much more illuminated. I really love how glowing and how fresh my skin looks, and it's hydrated my skin at the same time, which is the best part. Next up, I'm using this NYBae stick foundation in the shade Grandier Than Central Golden, and I'm just applying this all over my face. It's like the perfect shade for me. It's blending into my skin so easily. And to blend that out, I'm using this NYBae Beauty Blender. It's a very good quality beauty blender, and it's so squishy and soft, and it's literally become double the size of what it was when I wet this. So it seems like a really good quality beauty blender, and I'm going to blend my foundation with the help of this. So this foundation stick is very easy to work with. It's very easy to blend into the skin, and I love the sheer and natural coverage that it's given to my skin in just one application. You can layer this up another time to make the coverage medium. It's very easy to layer because it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Next up, I'm using this NYBae Conceal and Conquer Liquid Concealer. And the shade that I'm in is 02 Vanilla, and I'm just going to apply this on my under eyes and my lid. And I'm using the same beauty blender to blend this. So I quite like the coverage that the concealer has provided. Again, it's given me sort of a sheer to medium coverage, and it is buildable because it's very lightweight. It doesn't even feel patchy or anything like that. Now to set all of that base makeup in place, I'm using this NYBae loose powder in the shade Banana. And again, I'm going to use the same beauty blender to apply the powder on my under eyes. And I'm not baking my under eye region, but I'm still going to let the powder stay on my under eye region until I set the rest of my face, and then I can dust it off. For the rest of my face, I'm using a brush to set my base in place. And now I'm just going to dust off all of that loose powder. Moving on to eyeshadow palette, I'm using this NYBae I Love Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Smoky Show. And firstly, I'm going to pick up that shimmer color and apply it all over my lid. Next up, I'm using that matte color and applying it to the outer corners of my eyes and also in my crease. So this eyeshadow palette is really good to create multiple smoky eye looks with. You can pretty much use this palette mostly during the nighttime, because it's got all those dark colors. You can create such beautiful nighttime looks with the help of this. Next up, I'm using this NYBae metallic eyeliner in the shade 04 Black Affair, and I'm going to be creating a winged eyeliner with the help of this. The eyeliner is so pigmented and I really love the brush applicator of it. It's so easy to work with. Now to finish off the eye makeup look, I'm using this NYBae I Love Mascara. It's got this very sleek and long wand, and the bristles are very dense, so you can achieve length as well as volume with the help of this kind of a wand, and it's very easy to work on your bottom lashes as well. Now to add some color back to my face, I'm using this NYBae blush in the shade Sunset Skyline. Ooh, it's really pigmented. You need to go very light-handed with it, and you need to use like a very tiny amount of product. I'm just gonna like dust off the product on my hands first and then apply it here. Yeah, now it's the right amount. So it's a very pigmented blush, and make sure that you go very light-handed with it. I'm just going in with a beauty blender to pick up the excess product and make it look natural. I think that looks so much better now. I'm going to repeat the same on this side. This is a very pigmented blush, and the right way to use it is just to touch your brush and then apply it on your skin instead of like swirling the brush all across the blush like how I did. Now moving on to highlighter, I'm using this NYBae Shine and Shimmer highlighter. This highlighter is so bomb, you're just gonna see. It looks so natural, and look at that sheen that it's given my skin. Look at how beautiful and healthy my skin looks with this highlighter. Can you see that? Usually when I apply highlighters, especially on my forehead, it doesn't even show up on camera, but can you see how beautiful that looks? It's a very beautiful champagne highlighter, and I feel like it's perfect for the wedding season and also for festivals. So I applied the highlighter on all the high points of my face, also on the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone, and it's instantly like changed my makeup game. It's made my face look so much more glamorous. And lastly, to finish off the makeup look, I'm using this NYBae Runway lipstick in the shade 4 Trends. This is such a pretty My Lips But Better color for me. I love how beautiful it looks, and it's so creamy to apply. It feels so comfortable, and it's a non-drying formulation, which is the best part. And I feel like it's complementing the eye look so well. Like the eyes are quite bold, so the lips look really subtle, and like overall everything is complementing each other. Lastly, to seal everything in place, I'm using this NYBae Matte Finish Setting Spray. So yeah, that's my full face of makeup using only NYBae products, and you can create such a glamorous makeup look using such affordable products. You don't need like expensive high-end products to like create glamorous looks. Affordable products can also do the job. You only need to know like which products to pick, and all of these products are amazing. They all performed so well, as you saw. So in case if you want to check any of these products out, the links to purchase them is mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. I really love how beautiful the makeup has turned out, and I just cannot get over it. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you enjoyed watching it, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, that's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.